Streaming has started. Okay, so the live is going on. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This live session. This live session is to tell about my AA coaching, especially through PrePly. Okay, PrePly is a tutor platform. Okay, let me know whether that live is going on smoothly. For that, I will check through my mobile, and if someone is watching this live right now, just add comments like whether the live is going on smoothly or not. If there are any audio issues, just let me know. Normally, I used to do the live through web interface of YouTube Studio, but today now I decided to do it through OBS Studio. Okay, so I would like to know whether that volume is okay. Okay, it's somewhat okay. So I will be just continuing this live session, and if there are any questions, you can ask me. Though this live is to tell about my PrePly offering, I would like to talk about any topic. Okay, it's a general live Q&A session. Okay, so you can ask any questions related to my one-on-one coaching. You can ask me about any AI related questions, and you can ask me about my Amazon books. And if you are interested in affiliate marketing, you can ask the details about my affiliate offers. Okay, so let us discuss any topic related to these things. Okay, and my highest priority right now is doing one-on-one AI coaching. Part of that plan, I would like to tell about PrePly. Okay, PrePly is like a famous tutoring site. It is like useful for language learning. Okay, but now they are introducing, because of the trendingness of artificial intelligence, they are allowing to teach AI also there. So I just enrolled myself and I created a profile for teaching AI there. Okay, so I included that PrePly profile link in the description of the video. You can check that, and I will be just sharing that link in the chat also. Okay, so so I just shared the link. Okay, you can check that. Okay, but I won't recommend using PrePly. Okay, but suppose as I read in this blog post, if you are not knowing about me, in that case you can just check with PrePly. Okay, so this is the blog post about my PrePly link. Okay, you can check my blog by searching for QPT blog. Okay, QPT blog, and it will be like opening this blog. Okay, here you can find the links to earning money online as affiliate marketer, and about my one-on-one AI coaching, my books, my website, my AI course offer, like that links. Okay, so here I just specified about my PrePly link also. Okay, you can click this. Okay, here you can find the PrePly link. Anyway, you can just check that link in the profile or description of this page, this video, or you can just search my name, Rajamani at PrePly site itself. Okay, so there are different ways to access that. Once you access that, you can see the details. But as I said, I won't recommend booking time through this if you know me. Okay, so in that case, here I provided the option for doing one-on-one AI coaching. Okay, so click that link. Here I provided the ways, like either you can contact me by sending email or sending WhatsApp message to this number. Okay, in that case, we can discuss appropriate payment way, and like if you are in India, we can get the transfer the payment like through UPI, and if you are in some other countries, maybe we can use PayPal. Okay, so if it is not possible, like if that you are not able to use UPI or PayPal, in that case maybe you can go with PrePly. Okay, otherwise a direct dealing will be better, because in case of PrePly it's a completely different thing. There you have to go with the trial option. In that case, trial option, they will be charging you, but they won't make payment to me. Like that kind of issues are there, and moreover they will be taking significant percentage of commission, around 33 percentage they will be taking as commission. Okay, if someone is searching from PrePly and I am getting opportunity to teach them through PrePly, then it's okay. So it's opportunity cost, right? They are providing opportunity to get students. So in that case, I can pay money to them happily, right? So that is okay. But in case if you are coming to know about me through my blog or my YouTube channel, I would suggest directly contacting me. The reason for telling about PrePly in my YouTube channel itself and in the blog post itself is like someone I already I used to talk with a lot of other people, right? So some people will be hesitating to trust me, right? So that it's a common in any kind of business. So that's why that middle level sites are there for doing freelance work. A lot of freelance sites are there. Okay, so something similar to this here, like you have to first pay to PrePly, and PrePly will be keeping that money. Once after you say that session got completed, then they will release the money to me. So it's like let's say for both of us, right? But in case of direct transfer, you have to fully trust me. So that thing is there. So if you have any trust, that lack of trust or something, then that case also you can just go with PrePly. Okay, but it's not recommended one. And one more reason is just to showcase this review, right? I used to get reviews even for my direct one-on-one coaching. I'm getting reviews, but here recently I got one review. Maybe you can check that review comments there. Okay, so it's good to know that getting positive reviews. Okay, and even in case of direct teaching also, so one person shared his reviews on LinkedIn itself. Okay, so anyway, if you are already comfortable with PrePly, maybe you can find me. That is the message I would like to share through this blog post as well as this YouTube live. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can contact me. And if you are interested to know about my one-on-one AI coaching, just go through this page. That is what I wanted to highlight here. The PrePly part is just to tell about that I am available there. In case if you prefer to use that, you can use that. Okay, but it's like we have to spend money for the trial and commission. A lot of things are there. Anyway, if you are comfortable in that, and one more reason is you can just check my availability, right? So you can check my availability in your time zone from this profile, and based on that we can discuss, right? So for that also, anyway, I have Calendly link. I will be sending the Calendly link once you make the payment to my UPI or PayPal, and then we can discuss about booking time through Calendly. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Anyway, it's personal choice, right? Either you can do that directly or through PrePly, but my suggestion is, or my recommendation is, booking my time directly. Okay, so for that you have to go through the details here. Okay, so here says specified, you can just contact me. We can have a quick Google Meet discussion to come up with timing, other details. If you have any questions, we can sort out or clarify those things through the Google Meet. Okay, so here if you want to know about my way of teaching everything, then just watch that videos. Here I provided the links to various tutorial videos like RAG, MCP, LangGraph, AI agents, like that, and I provided links to my free ebooks also. You can just freely get these ebooks here. It's not free books. Sometimes I used to give free. Right now I am offering it free. Okay, so in that case you have to just click the buy button. Say for example, if you are clicking here, it will be showing buy button or add to cart button. You need to just to click that. But anyway, that 100% discount code RAG will be applied. Okay, so that you can freely get that book. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can ask me through the chat. Okay, and Okay, this is about my one-on-one AI coaching, and if you are interested in recorded AI course, just visit rajamanikam.com and then click the first link, this one, AI for Beginners course. Here you can find the AI course. This AI course has a lot of tutorial videos and ebooks. Right now it has more than 8 hours of tutorial videos and 9 AI related ebooks and a lot of code samples. A lot of things are there. Just you can check that by going through the details. And right now I set a very low price of just $19 for this worthy course. It includes a lot of things. It is suitable for both beginners as well as professionals. Even you can watch tutorial videos and books about RAG, MCP, agents, LangChain, that kind of stuff. Okay, and moreover you can earn 50% affiliate commission by referring this course to your friends. Okay, so I already talked about these things in many of my previous live sessions. Even I uploaded some videos also, shorts, so you can just go through that. And if you need some discount, you can use the discount code QPD, which will be giving 50% discount. And moreover, if you are in countries like India, because of the purchasing power parity, you will be getting further discounts automatically. Like in case of India, it is like a 60% discount, purchasing power parity discount, and because of that, the price will be just $7.60. So you can just make use of that opportunity also if you are in India. And moreover, if you are not finding your preferred payment method here, if you are in India, you can click this link, the first link, right? Just click this link. Here you will be provided with option to make the payment through UPI and Instamojo, that kind of stuff. Okay, you can just check that details. You have that Instamojo payment link and UPI QR code. Okay, and if you have any questions or if you need any details about buying through this way, just contact me, or just to make sure that or understand that this way of purchase is involving manual delivery. Okay, so once after making the payment, you have to contact me to get the course link, access link. Okay, otherwise you can just buy from here. Like in that case, it will be automatically delivered. Okay, so it's up to you whether you need automatic delivery or manual delivery. Okay, but in that case of automatic delivery, the payment options are limited in India. Other countries there may be different options, but in India I noticed that, I came to know that it is not not having that UPI and the net banking option. So that is the reason why I came up with this blog post providing various other options, UPI, Instamojo. Okay, Instamojo will in turn provide net banking and a lot of other payment options. Okay, so it's a good opportunity to get this AI course for a very affordable price, very low price. In case of this UPI approach, it is just 300 rupees in India. Okay, so just use this offer. And moreover, in case of one-on-one coaching, you can choose to learn anything like related to AI, like even simply learning Python and SQL and like advanced topics like RAG and MCP, agents, that kind of stuff. Okay, so it's up to you to decide that, because it's one-on-one coaching, right? Personal teaching. So we can decide the syllabus and way of teaching, everything customized to your skills, current skill set and your expectations. Okay, that is the unique advantage of having one-on-one AI coaching, so that we can make use of that opportunity effectively. Otherwise, if you are interested in low priced affordable batch or group cohort, that kind of teaching, then you have to wait for some time, because right now I don't have any batch. Already I completed 2 batches. Okay, I already completed 2 batches, but I felt that there is a huge need or huge demand for one-on-one AI coaching, because everyone has their own expectations of learning AI. Their current skill set is different, so it is a bit difficult to come up with a common syllabus in case of learning AI at this moment. Okay, so in that case, okay, if the lot of people are joining for the batch, means that is we can make it more affordable, right? Because of the huge participation. But again, bringing people at a common time from various time zones is various countries is a bit difficult, right? So because of that practical problems, I decided to start or focus more on one-on-one AI coaching. But if still instead of one-on-one AI coaching, if you are looking for affordable low cost batch, in that case, just let me know. I will let you know once I start the new batch. Okay. Already while doing the first 2 batches, I prepared with a lot of slides and a lot of code samples. A lot of things are there, so it's easy to start another batch easily, so that's not a big deal. And that one is still helping me to do one-on-one coaching also effectively, though I'm not going to show all the slides to everyone. Based on their current skill set, their expectation, I'll be focusing on certain topics, and I will be showing the demo. And in case of one-on-one coaching, a lot of other advantages also there, right? I can just connect with your screen, and I can guide you to do the setups, environment setup in case of development. And if you struggle somewhere, I can guide you to come up with the proper solution to solve that kind of issues, right? So there are a lot of advantages one-on-one coaching. Only problem is it's not scalable. I cannot take more people, right? So that's why I always said that it's for limited people. So if you want to use that opportunity, you can use. And right now I'm just charging just 800 rupees per hour in India, $12 per hour in other countries. So sometimes based on your schedule, I'll be giving some discount also. Suppose if you are choosing the time which is not not in high demand, then I can give a discount to encourage you to book that kind of timing. But the peak hours, it's a normal price. Okay. Normally peak hours in the sense US and that overlapping time. I am from India, but learners are from US, Brazil, that kind of countries. So in that case, that timing, that overlapping time, either our morning time or our evening time, right? So that kind of timing will be in high demand. But if you're preferring to get the classes during India's afternoon timing, then obviously I can give a discount. Okay, so any other questions you can ask me, and tell about this opportunity to your friends also. Okay, because it's a good opportunity, because if you go through any kind of coaching, the charges are in thousands of dollars. Okay, but I believe you can learn the basic things in 10-20 hours. First batch I did 24 hours session, second batch I did 16 hours. So around 20 hours is enough to learn basically, right? So in that case, you will be able to learn the things by spending just $200 something, right, compared to thousands of dollars. Okay, that is what my understanding. That too, you can just save a lot of your time also, because you need not to spend time to learn the things that you already know, right? So that syllabus is fully customized based on your requirements and your skill set. So that is the unique advantage of one-on-one coaching. Okay, so then like a lot of things are there. Maybe we can discuss through Google Meet, because some people will be interested in completing the projects for any kind of learning purpose, or even some people approach me for getting guidance to complete their actual projects. So it's up to you to utilize my timing. So I work based on the timing. You have to book my timing. You can use it for learning the things, for getting clarifications about AI, or doing work for your project, or getting consultancy about implementing AI for your business, so whatever it is. Okay, that is the offer I am right now providing to learn AA. Okay, so tell about this opportunity to your friends also, and just make sure that you utilize these free offers also. Okay, that's about this one-on-one coaching. And as I said, I prefer to book my timing through directly, like just to follow these instructions provided in this blog post. Okay, so direct in the sense you have to make the payment to my UPI or PayPal, and then I will be sending you Calendly link to book the timing. Okay, it's like it's like manual. Okay, but in case of PrePly, they have the interfaces to do everything, but because of the high commission rate and like unpaid trial, that kind of problems are there. So not a problem. That is okay if I'm getting, as I said, if I'm getting a student through PrePly, then paying the first lessons payment to PrePly is not a big deal, right? And just for using that platform, I need to make the commission, though it is high right now, it is 33%, it is high, but they are saying that if I keep on working there, they will be reducing the commission. Okay, that is completely different thing. Okay, but in case of direct thing, it's very easy. Even for booking the timing, we can use the Calendly link. Okay, so there is not a big deal in case of direct booking. So in that case, just check this blog post. Here you can, as I said, you can just search for QPT blog, QPT space blog, and then click this link, and then click one-on-one coaching, that link, so you can get more details. Okay, further details, if you need any further details, just contact me. I provided my contact details like email and WhatsApp number. Just to send message, then we can have a quick Google Meet discussion to sort out the things quickly. Okay, this is about a one-on-one coaching. And yesterday I was talking about my Kindle book offer, right? And on November 30th, I was running a free Kindle book offer for 19 books. I hope so you might have used that offer. And if you like any of the books, you can just share your ratings and reviews. Okay, so you can click this my books to reach this. Like if you're in India, you can click this link. If you're in US, you can click this link. And if you're in some other country, visit your local Amazon version and then search for my name, Rajamanikam Anthony Muthu. So you'll be provided with my books, and then click my name again so that you can reach a similar page like this one, author page. Okay, so here we can find a lot of books, useful books, and almost most of the books, around 20 books out of 41 books. Right now I have 41 books, and 20 books were included in the KDP Select program. That means you can freely read those books at any time if you are Kindle Unlimited member, KU member. Okay, so it's a good opportunity for KU members to read the books freely. Lot of options. Almost most of the books are AI related things, but useful for various domains, for doctors, for teachers, like that, for English learners. Okay, not only English learners, the same things can be applied for other language learners also, right? And for people who are interested in using AI tools in celebrating Christmas, like that, for various options. We can use AI tools. I explored a few things in these books, and once after getting some exposure to these books, I'll be spending more time to come up with more books so that AI tools can be applied in various other things. Say, for example, I am planning to release a book like AI tools for YouTubers, AI tools for digital marketers, like that. Okay, so obviously there are various AI tools, or even you can use the ChatGPT itself for various purposes by tweaking the prompts properly. Okay, so in that case, it is I feel it is important or necessary to bring that to all kinds of audiences, right? Even for very beginners. That is why I just released books targeting beginners. This is RAG made simple. Apart from this simple book, I have like a full detailed RAG book also. But this simple book I have enrolled into KDP Select program so that KU members can freely read that. Okay. And I like Python for absolute beginners, ChatGPT for absolute beginners, that kind of beginner friendly books also I released. And moreover, advanced things like AI context engineering, that kind of books also there, software testing in the AI era. Okay, so it's a mix of both things. Okay, and if you are familiar with the basic things, then go with the advanced books. And if you need basic details, you can buy both things. That's what I would suggest. Okay. And if you're just exploring about to learn something about AI, then I would suggest Unlocking AI, that book that you can check, or Start Learning AI. So there are two kinds of books. Okay, so if you want to check my new books ordered by publication date, it will be showing my latest books. So if you like any of the books, remember to add your ratings and reviews. And if you are an affiliate marketer, you can just think about earning money by promoting these kinds of books. Okay, so just join us Amazon affiliate and start promoting my books. And if you need any guidance or questions, let us discuss through quick Google Meet so that you can effectively do the promotion of that books. Okay, so I already talked about this book in my previous videos. You can check that, or if you want, I can explain them separately. Okay. And yesterday I did one live to talk about my book, Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. This book is more suitable for giving as a Christmas gift. That is the reason why I did a separate live, but that was not reaching the people. So I have plans to do that similar live in another day, especially during the active hours of US, UK, that kind of time period, because I did during India daytime. I understand that people like in US may be more interested in giving Christmas gifts, right, by Amazon, by making purchase through Amazon. So in that case, I'll be doing that live again to explain that books. Or if you want to know that details, you can check my yesterday's live, where I discussed about this book. Okay, as a Christmas gift idea. Okay. Again, I would like to suggest that this book for giving as a gift. It's a very, very suitable, relevant book, worthy book. Okay, so you can just go to the ebook. Okay, so in my blog I provided the option to freely download this ebook version by using the 100% discount code. This link already loaded with the 100% discount code. You can click this link. Okay, and then you can buy from my website rajamanikam.com. so here you can see the price as 0, right? So in that case you can just buy this. Okay. Okay, it is about my Amazon books. Right now I have 41 books, and I am expecting to get feedback and reading and reviews. Okay, and once after getting some understanding about my books, then I will be again focusing more on releasing more books. Right now I put a hold, okay, or put a gap. Okay, and the key thing is about one-on-one AI coaching. That is the purpose of this live session. I just wanted to tell about my PrePly profile, but don't book time through there. Instead, just contact me to book my timing to learn AI. Okay, as I said, I have a lot of code samples, a lot of slides already prepared, so that we can effectively quickly learn the things. And I keep on exploring various things, especially about RAG, by going through various discussion happening on social media like LinkedIn and Reddit. Okay, so in that case, I could guide you effectively for any kind of AI projects. And I can, even if you are a very beginner, I can teach the fundamental things, and I can systematically teach, as well as I can clarify your random questions, and I can guide you further. Okay, that is the purpose of this video, to tell about these things. And moreover, I would like to share some thoughts about my plans to do the sponsored advertisement. Okay, I have this YouTube channel with 70k subscribers, but right now YouTube is not recommending my videos to the subscribers, so it's not getting views. Okay, but my videos used to get views through search traffic. Okay, if someone is searching for something, say for example I am doing PrePly tutoring, right? Through this video, just the title is about PrePly. Okay, so in that case someone is searching for PrePly, my video may be visible to them. Okay, so in that case I'll be getting traffic, and that person will be getting relevant content, right? So in that case still my YouTube channel is somewhat valid. Okay, and I hope that the traffic problem will be solved soon. Okay, and anyway, right now it has certain number of traffic, that too relevant traffics, because of the search nature, right? So in that case, if you want to make use of that opportunity, you can throw sponsored ads. Either I can create separate videos to promote your products, and in that case I will be mentioning that it's a sponsored, right? So, or you can just ask me to include your product on any of my videos. Okay, but anyway, I'm open for a separate full-fledged video also, so in that case it will be suitable for you, because I'm not planning to create a high effort video. So I'll be just putting the videos in a short time period. So in that case, better we can have a separate video for your product promotion. Okay, that is about sponsored ads. If you are interested in promoting your products or services, just contact me. I can maybe we can discuss about appropriate pricing, and then if it is suitable we can upload that video in my channel, and then I can, suppose if your product and services are really useful to the viewers, I can just promote that videos through my social media presence, like through Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, like that, various places. Okay, that's about my sponsored ads option. Okay, and another thing is affiliate offer. Okay, affiliate offer in the sense you can earn 50% commission by referring my AA course and other books from rajamanikam.com to your friends and social media. Okay, it's a good opportunity if you are interested in earning money quickly, okay, and reliably. Okay, because that amount also significant, as I am offering 50% affiliate commission. In case of Amazon, other things, the percentage will be like 4%, 6%, like that, right? But here I am offering 50%, almost most of the revenue, right? Okay, that's okay. If you have any questions, you can contact me. You can ask me through the chat. Okay, and you can read a lot of blog posts about AA, other things from my blog.qualitypandit.com. If you are planning to get some motivational things, maybe you can visit the course.net, our site, the course.net. In the main section of the course.net, we can find thousands of motivational quotes arranged with authors. Like if you click this author name, it will be showing the details of the author and other courses, almost all the courses of that author, and some Facebook cover image or any videos related to that author. Okay, so that's how I arranged this. I put a lot of effort to come up with this site. Okay, and I put a lot of effort to collect these codes, hand-picked codes, and a lot of things are there in this site. You can just go through that. Previously we had a lot of features, but because of the maintenance issue we just removed a lot of features, but still they are really useful. Just to check that things. And if you want to get the full extract of this site as a book, you can buy this book, Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. If you like this book, you can give it as a you can buy the paperback version, obviously, and then you can give it as a gift to your friends and family members. And if you want to freely listen to this book, you can click this link, and you can go to my blog post where, or so this link is directly to this. But anyway, here better you can check. Listen to pretty big, right? So here, so you can come to this, and you can just the timelines are provided. You can click specific chapter directly. You will listen to that specific chapter. Okay, you can do that also. Freely listen to GD. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is you can just listen to the book. That voice may not be that much good. It's recorded by myself. And if you are looking for like AI voice, maybe you can find it in Amazon. In Amazon, I enabled the AI voice also, but that is looking good. You can listen to this virtual sample voice sample. Okay. What I'm trying to say is just to get some understanding about the book, and then you can order the paperback for giving us a gift, right? So that's what I wanted to highlight here. Okay. So you can read the motivational content here. Not only quotes, like here motivational articles. Click this motivational articles link. It will be taking you to this subdomain motivation.thecourse.net. Here you can find a lot of useful articles that is that is useful for improving your confidence, and it's like spreading positive thoughts, okay, and improving soft skills, teaching soft skills, that kind of things, communication skills, that kind of things that are useful to your personal growth and career growth. Okay, so just click that, and if you are interested in getting FB cover, Facebook covers, click this link. And if you are interested in getting as an Android app, click this link. So if you click this Android app, you can see that a lot of people are liking this app, right? So it got more than 10k downloads and 169 reviews, good reviews. If you go through the reviews, you can understand, like, okay, I love the quotes, everything, right? So just to go through that. Okay, so any other questions? So no other questions, so mostly we can stop, right? So the key thing is about my PrePly profile. We'll find the link in the description. Just go through the details and my available timing here, and then you can contact me. And as I specified here, you can like paid one-on-one coaching, like one-on-one coaching, this link from my blog. By clicking that link, you can come to know about the details about my offering of paid one-on-one coaching for learning AI. Okay, just to go through that details and download the free books and watch the sample videos. Okay, and then let us discuss about having one-on-one coaching. And in case if you want to get the recorded course for a very affordable price, then you can click here. I am showing this banner in all my sites like qualitypentech.com and rajamanikam.com, everywhere, right? And thecourse.net. Just click this and it will be taking you to this blog post. Here I explain about how to get that recorded course for just 300 rupees in India or $8 globally. Okay, so just to go through all the details here. Okay, and share your feedback about the course, and if you find any broken links or something in the blog, just let me know. Okay, any other questions? So no other questions. In that case, I would like to talk about some common topics about AI. So normally people are interested in learning generative AI, but I would suggest, okay, it's need of the hour, so we have to learn generative, but I would suggest going through basics, right? AI overview, machine learning, deep learning, and especially we need to learn RAG. Okay, that is very important. And other than that, we need to learn about MCP, AI chatbots. There are a lot of job opportunities in that perspective, right? So based on the demand, we need to learn the things. I agree, but fundamental things also very important. Like it will be very useful when you face any difficulties in implementing something with generative AI or agentic AI. Okay, so, so normally I will be teaching these things: AI basics, prompt engineering, talking about tools and the NLP, data science, benefits of AI, so some introduction about AI. So that's how I will explain. But if you are already familiar, I may skip those things. And machine learning also, I have slides and deep learning. And normally I would like to give more importance to RAG, retrieval augmented generation. This RAG is very, very important because let me just quickly talk about RAG. Okay, but in case of one-on-one coaching, we can have a detailed discussion. And RAG is the fundamental concept is very simple, but in case of implementation, it's really tough. And to make it work to our use cases in various scenarios, we had to do a lot of research, and I used to spend a lot of time in going through various research papers related to RAG, and various discussions happening on places like Reddit and LinkedIn. Okay, so based on that understanding, we can come up with appropriate solution for your unique use case. But in case of these slides, and I already did a free webinar about RAG. In that case, mostly it will be a very common concept only, right? So in case of RAG, as I said, it stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. So basically, generation is LLM, right? LLMs are useful for generating new content based on our input. And retrieval is traditional things, searching something, searching from a document and other things. So this approach is combining both things. That is what RAG. Okay, RAG is a hybrid AI model that combines retrieval based methods, okay, with generative methods. Okay, so that is the fundamental of RAG. We have generation things and we have retrieval things, but both of them are having their own shortcomings. RAG is addressing the shortcomings by combining the power of both things. Okay, I will be explaining those things in detail. So basically, we have to ground the LLM's response. That is the ultimate aim of RAG. Okay, so the name stands for retrieval augmented generation, right? We are augmenting the generation with the retrieval. So that is combining both things. Okay, so we need to understand the need for RAG, right? So we know that LLMs are really powerful, and they have a lot of potential to be used with a lot of commercial applications, but they lack few things, especially three things. They are really risky for commercial implementation. One is knowledge cutoff date. Each and every LLM has their own knowledge cutoff date. We may be thinking that the LLMs are the latest thing, right? Say for example, normally people will be interchangeably using LLM and ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT and LLM are used interchangeably, but in fact they are different. ChatGPT.com is a full-fledged AI application. Internally it uses GPT-5 or GPT 5.1. Let us ask what model you are using. Okay, that is LLM. Okay, large language model, foundational model. That is what model you are using. Okay, so it will be telling its model name. So mostly it will be GPT 5.1. Okay, I'm running on OpenAI's GPT 5.1 model for this conversation. Okay, and here that GPT 5.1 model has a certain knowledge cutoff date. Let us ask about that also. What is your knowledge cutoff date? Cutoff date, right? My knowledge cutoff is June 2024. Anything that happened after that, I may or may not know unless it is general or logical. Okay, so it won't be knowing the latest things, almost more than 1 year, right? Last 1 year, it won't be having any information, latest events or any kind of information related to the events happened in the last 1 year. Okay, so in that case, it is not useful for business purposes, right? But you may be wondering then how I am able to get latest information from ChatGPT, right? That is some workarounds, not coming from the models. Okay, tool calling, functional calling, that kind of technologies are allowing the LLMs to use search tools, something to get the latest information. That is some workaround. Okay. But in case of our own AI application development, we have to depend on that model, LLM models, right? But they are limited to knowledge cut update. Okay, so they may be having huge information, but still they lack the latest information. And similarly, we cannot expect them to have the private information. Say, for example, if you are running e-commerce website and if you want to use LLM for doing customer support, in that case, you cannot expect LLM-based chatbots to give answers related to your e-commerce products and the like prices and availability, other things, right? Because basically the LLMs are trained with publicly available data, they won't be having private information. So we can say that LLMs lack latest information, LLMs lack private information, and more importantly, they hallucinate. They are subject to hallucination. Hallucination in the sense generating incorrect or nonsensical informations randomly. Okay, so we don't know when they are creating incorrect information. So in that perspective, it is it's a very key thing, right? Because we don't know when it's doing, so it can happen at any time. Okay, so in that case, that reliability of LLM response become a problem. Okay, so they are not reliable basically. Okay, so in that case, we can say that the LLMs are powerful in their operation, but they are not useful for commercial usage because of three various things. One is hallucination, and limited knowledge cutoff, and lack of private information, right? So the solution with our RAG is RAG will help to get the latest information, up-to-date information, and it will be grounding the responses by providing context things. Okay, so that is the fundamental, and obviously we can use private information similar to latest information. Like externally, from externally we have to provide that. Let us discuss those things. Okay, so in case of RAG function or process, it is a step-by-step process. First, user asks a question, that is input query, and the retrieval will fetch the relevant portion from the knowledge source, and then that relevant information will be included along with the user query as augmented prompt, and then that will be sent to the LLM for generating the response. Okay, this is the very fundamental RAG. Here I explained with the diagram, and apart from fundamental things, here we introduced vector search also, because just the retrieval, like a normal symbol retrieval, will be taking a lot of time. But in case of RAG systems, RAG pipeline, normally in real-time use cases, that knowledge source involves millions of documents. So we cannot expect the system to process that, do the search within specified time, right? So in that case, we need some mechanism. That is where that vector search is coming into the picture. That is very important concept. That is why almost whenever we talk about RAG, everyone will be talking about the vector search also. It's becoming the part of RAG, but ultimately it's not mandatory one. Okay, so it's a very typical RAG, like that we can say, right? So in case of typical RAG, there are two things. One is ingestion process, the upper one, and the regular query things in the below one. The upper one is one-time process. We have to arrange the documents and do the cleaning and everything, and then we need to split that documents into multiple chunks, and there are different chunking strategies are there. I will be talking about those things, and I talked about it many times through my previous webinars, and even I published a blog post about the various chunking strategies in my blog. You can just search my blog, and there you can search for a chunking strategy. Chunking. Okay, so there I listed various chunking strategies with the help of ChatGPT itself. Okay, Let me check any question is there. No other questions. I'll be continuing. Okay. Changing strategies. So here listed fixed size changing, recursive changing, semantic changing, agentic changing. Okay. So a lot of things are there, but it depends on your use case. Like I hope mostly beginners will be watching this video, so I'll be skipping those part. I will be just trying to make clear the simple process of RAG, simple RAG pipeline. I hope I made it clear the need for RAG, right? Lack of private information, lack of latest information, and subject to hallucination. Those things make the or record the need for RAG. Okay. So here we do the document chunking, and then each chunk will be converted into equivalent embeddings. Okay, and that embeddings will be stored in the vector database. Okay, a lot of different kinds of vector databases are there. I listed in my blog around 10 vector databases like Pinecone, ChromaDB, Fias, Quadrant, Milvitas, like that. You can just check vector database. So just to visit my website, I mean the blog, blog.qualitypointtech.com, or you can just search QPT blog on Google. Okay, here you can find top 10 vector databases for RAG applications. Okay, so here I listed Pinecone. It's a managed, I mean cloud-based database. We have to use the API key, and apart from my initial free offer, they will be charging. Okay, we wait. It's open source, and Melvis, so it's also open source. Quadrant also open source. So ChromaDB also it's open source only. Fias is provided by Meta. Okay, PostgreSQL. In case of PostgreSQL, we have to use the pgvector extension. Okay, and other things like search and Whisper, Redis. Okay. So you can just go through that thing, but commonly used one is Pinecone in case of like a managed thing, or if you want to have everything in your local, you can go with ChromaDB or Fias. Okay, Fias is just in-memory database. Okay. So if you have any questions, just you can stop me. Okay. Otherwise, I will be just giving some overview in this video, and what the point I'm making here is this RAG is, though it is looking simple, it needs a lot of discussion or implementation, and obviously it has a lot of scope, right? So that is where my one-on-one coaching plays important role. So here the changing, like just learning about just different changing strategies and vector database, how they are working, that may be easy. That I already included in my books and videos, that you can easily go through that. But what the point I'm highlighting here is to make it work for your project, or to implement it according to your use case, or understanding these things in a proper way. That requires like a proper guidance, right? So in that case, one-on-one coaching will be really useful. For that, you can contact me. Okay, for learning RAG, for learning like AI agents, MCP, that kind of stuff. But even for simple things like how to use AI tools for your purpose, like that also you can contact me. But yeah, the learning RAG will be more effective, right? That's what I would say. But if you are very beginner, if you want to know how to use things effectively for your business, just for doing simple automations, and how to create AI tools for creating code, or what is notebook LM, how to use that, like that. If you have any simple questions, that also I can just explain. Okay. It is important to know the difference between the actual development of AI and the AI hype, right? So in that perspective also, my way of teaching will be useful to differentiate those things for you. That is very important. And apart from these things, I provide books, right? So ebooks. So if you have any questions from that books, I can clarify. So or like in case if you're stucking somewhere while doing the sample coding or even working on a project, I can just guide you by doing like a remote screen sharing or remote access, right? So in that way we can work together closely. Okay, but understanding the basic flow is easy. This is a one-time process. We do the chunking and then we do the embedding, store in the vector database, and then whenever the user asks a question through the chatbot or any application, that query will be converted into embedding. That embedding will be searched against the vectors, doing vector search against the document embeddings, and then the relevant chunks will be returned. That chunks will be included along with the user query and system prompts. After that augmentation process, that final prompt will be sent to the LLM to get the response. That much easy to understand the RAG. It's not a big deal. Okay, but again, the agentic RAG, that kind of steps are coming because of the difficulties we face. Like the RAG pipeline involves a lot of other components also, re-ranker, query pre-processing. So it based on your use cases. Okay, so that kind of stuff maybe we can discuss based on your use cases when you try to do any project related to RAG. Okay, so these are the components of RAG, applications of RAG, advantages of RAG, limitations of RAG. Okay, and normally I used to show some demos. Okay, and I will be sharing the demo code to the learners, and I will ask them to run it on their machine, and then I'll be working on to improve that according to their adding new features from their side, right? That will be the more effective way of learning. Okay, similarly I have slides for a lot of other things like agents, MCP, LangChain, LangGraph, that kind of stuff. Okay, so all are career oriented right now. These things are in trending, obviously, right? Because of like the LLMs. Previously everyone was talking about training the model, preparing data sets like that, right? Now that level is crossed, because but still the opportunity is there, and it requires a lot of skills and talent. There is no question about that. But now we have ready-made things like LLMs, right? So only thing is now we should know how to use that LLMs, how to connect with the LLMs, how to use RAG pipeline, how to create chatbot, simple chatbot, and like that kind of stuff, how to do automation with the help of AI. So we are creating multiple agents to complete the task autonomously. So the question is now revolving around that, how to effectively use LLMs, right? So mostly I can focus more on that. Okay, so that is the need of the hour. That's what I'm feeling. But anyway, it's better to understand how basically the AI is working, how it's different from traditional programming, that kind of stuff. So I can teach based on my best understanding, but my priority is teaching about the RAG and MCP agents, that LangChain, that kind of high demand from career perspective things. Okay. Okay, as I said, my recommendation is directly contact me. Okay, but for some reason, if you want PrePly, then go with that, but it's not recommended. Okay, not recommended in the sense, if you are accessing it from, if you come to know about my blog or these kinds of videos. But if you find me through PrePly, I would suggest stick with that. Okay, because if PrePly is helping me to get enrollments, then it is better to stick with them, right? Though they are charging significant commission, and they won't be giving the trial charges, still it's okay if the lead is from their side. Okay, but if you come to know about my one-on-one AI coaching offering from my blog, or like my video or any kind of social media, then I would suggest directly contacting me to book my time. Okay, so any other questions? So if anyone is interested in earning money as affiliate, just contact me. And I offer a lot of things. Say for example, for this course, I'm offering a discount code QPT for giving 50% discount. The discount code Raj, RAJ Raj, for giving 70% discount, like that. Like I'm offering a lot of discount and a lot of things. Okay, so if you want to get that kind of updates regularly, maybe you can just subscribe to my newsletter. Go to rajamanikam.com, enter your email, and then click subscribe. Okay. Any other questions you can ask if you have any questions. Okay. And if you want to learn about AI freely, in that case, I would suggest going through my blog post. I have written a lot of blog posts about AI tutorial videos and my thoughts like that. And if you are looking to watch the videos freely, in that case, you can just go to my channel, like this channel, whatever channel you are watching right now. That is QPT channel, at QPT. Okay, here you can just click this courses. Recently YouTube introduced that feature, right? So here you can find a lot of tutorial videos about AI. Right now it has more than like around 65 lessons, 65 videos tutorials. You can just watch that kind of videos, and if you need further details, maybe you can book my time. In that case, you need not spend more time, right? You can book 1 or 2 hours to learn the things by getting clarifications or any guidance. Okay, so that is what my recommendation. So just even in this case, you will be getting only videos, right? That best thing is just to go through this rajamanikam.com and then click this course link, and in that case, if you buy this course, inside that course you will be getting ebooks and videos, tutorial videos, and if that tutorial video is talking about any kind of code sample, then you can find the download link for that code sample below the video. That will be more convenient approach, right? So that cost also very low. If you are in India, even you can get it for 300 rupees, as I explained earlier. Okay, so here I provided the link. If you click this link, you can come to know that offer. But anyway, it's $19. If you use discount code QPT, it will be giving further 50% discount. Okay, and tell about this offer. Okay, it's a good opportunity. If you just go through the details, you can understand the importance of these kinds of courses, right? Like these kinds of courses are selling for very high prices, but still people are buying that. Okay, because they can spend a lot of money for doing advertisements, but I don't want to do in that way. I am just expecting word of mouth promotion. So just if you like this course, just tell about this course to your friends so that they can also make use of this opportunity. And very low price, right? It's a really good opportunity. You just tell about this offer. And if you want to earn money professionally, then just contact me. I will add you as my affiliate. In that case, if you refer this to your friends, if your friends are making purchase, then you will be getting 50% affiliate commission. Okay, that also we can discuss, and it's automated only. I use Gumroad affiliate. Gumroad as an affiliate platform, and Gumroad allows me to set any percentage. Any percentage means in the sense up to 75%, right? So I'll be setting like initially I'll be setting 50%, and then I will be increasing step by step based on your sales performance. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask me. That is the purpose of these kinds of live sessions. Okay. And I keep on talking, but I don't see any feedback or any questions from the viewers. So I would like to check whether the live is still going on properly. Sometimes there may be some audio issue. I will check that. I'm checking that. Okay. Okay, they're still going on. Okay, but number of people watching is just showing one watching. Okay, so the key things are, as I said, one is obviously the purpose of this live is to tell about this PrePly profile, but don't book timing from here. Just to use it to know about me, to check my available timing, other things, and then contact me to get one-on-one coaching, to book my time directly without involving PrePly. Okay. And this is about my AA course. Okay, so just buy my AA course for just 300 rupees. This one is for giving us Christmas gift. Okay, so you can find all these details by visiting my blog, blog.qualitybandtech.com. Recently I posted all these blog posts. This is about choosing Christmas gift idea, and I explained that details in my yesterday's live sessions. There you can find all the details about my plan or my suggestion of giving Christmas gift by buying my book, Dream Big Move Forward Inch by Inch motivational book. Okay. Okay, any other questions? There are no questions right now. Okay. So right now my channel is not recommending my videos to the viewers. That is the reason why right now I am focusing more on my Amazon books instead of sharing my experience and understanding through videos. Previously I used to do like this, but now because of the lack of traffic to my videos, I don't want to unnecessarily spend time with that kind of videos. So that is why I moved my attention towards Amazon books. Right now I have 41 books. You can buy the books or freely read as a Kindle Unlimited member, or if you have subscribed to my site rajamanikam.com by giving your email ID here, you will be getting newsletters frequently. In that newsletters I will be telling about any kind of free offers or any kind of discount offers that I run for my products. Okay. Okay. And one more thing, apart from affiliate offers, I understand that some people may be interested in affiliate offers, some people may not be interested in. In that case, I would like to like I'm having good experience in digital marketing, as I have been exploring it for selling my timesheet software and other things. And if you are interested in learning from me, okay, how to do it effectively, what is SEO, like starting from this scratch, I can spend significant time freely if you are spending your time for promoting my products, especially my AA course. Okay, so it's kind of intern, suppose, but remote, not work. If you are very much interested in doing that, you can contact me. I can explain, even I can explain about how to effectively use AA tools, other things, but you have to spend significant time for doing the work, actually for promoting it, and you should be able to make some sales, but you can get 50% commission for that. Okay, so I'm exploring that option also. Instead of just giving affiliate offer, I'm just providing mentoring also, but it's purely based on the available timing, so I cannot do it for many people. Let me check any question is there. No other questions, so most probably we can stop it here. Okay, and just remember about my one-on-one coaching Christmas gift offer, like gift idea. Okay, and discount code QPT for getting discounts from my website rajamanikam.com. Okay, so this one, rajamanikam.com. And in the rajamanikam.com, if you are interested to get newsletters, you can just provide your email and then subscribe. So in that case, here if you click the post, you can see my previous newsletter links. Recently I keep on like sending newsletters to promote my products, but in the coming days I will be providing more informative things also. For example, yesterday I sent this one, Elon Musk on the end of work and meaning of life, key takeaways from his chat with Nikhil Kamath. Okay, So I will be sending these kinds of informative posts in the coming days. That's what my plan. But time being, because there is a need to tell about all my products, right? And that free offers discount. So recently I did like that. Okay, I send various newsletters that were talking about my free Kindle book offer and my Christmas gift idea. Okay, and my new books releases like that, a one-on coaching like that. But in the coming days I may be sending some useful information also. Okay, so and another thing is, if you visit my blog.coldependtech.com, you can read a lot of blog posts talking about AI things, mostly AI tutorials and my thoughts about some issues related to AI. Okay, so you can check that. Okay, that's it as of now, and if you have any questions you can ask me, and just to tell about these things, especially this one-on-one AI coaching offer to your friends also, and just explore my Amazon books. That books are available in various formats like Kindle book, audiobook in the sense virtual AI voice audiobooks, and paperback version also. I won't recommend paperback in all cases, but some cases paperback will be better, and one such case is this Dream Big Move Forward Inch by Inch, and especially you can give it as a gift also, that it is most suitable for giving as gift. And someone intentionally put negative comment here, like 1-star rating, so that's the reason why it's not making sales. So to rectify that, I'm just offering my book ebook version for free. Okay, so you can just check my yesterday's post, are you looking for Christmas gift idea? There I provided the link for getting my ebook books ebook version for free. This is the link. Okay, so just to get that ebook version free, go through the content, and if you really like that content, then order for the paperback version. Okay, so that's what I can say, and you can realize that whether that review is really valid or not. Okay, but that review comment, I understand, AI generated thing. It is AI generated thing. But I fully reviewed it, and I shared a lot of my thoughts for generating that content. So basically the end product is AI generated, just to make sure that the grammar and there aren't many spelling mistakes or any punctuation things, right? Because English is not my native language. So like long back in the year 2009 or 10, that time I released my software testing related book, and though that book was selling very well, many people suggested that it has a lot of grammatical mistakes. It is very difficult to go through that book like that. So to rectify those things, obviously because of the opportunity available with the AI, I'm using ChatGPT to make that kind of spell mistakes corrections and grammar corrections. So that's how I come up with this book, and that perspective, it's AI generated. But my thoughts, like 3 chapters, I fully shared my thoughts. Okay, and some chapters are produced with the help of ChatGPT. It's true, and for that, but I put a lot of effort to like give the feed input, right? So we have to do the proper prompt engineering, right? So based on that information only, that chapter was created. It's not automatic one. Okay. So I would say that I put a lot of effort and hard work to come up with this book, because it's not one-time work. Like long back, I started work of collecting good motivational quotes. It took a lot of effort and time to come up with really motivational thing, and uniquely collecting hundreds of quotes, right? That's a tedious work. So that collection, I used that collection in my Android app, and it got a lot of good ratings, and this book, Dream Big Move Forward Inch by Inch, is having a chapter to list those quotes also. So apart from motivational quotes, it has a lot of useful information also to improve your soft skills and thought-provoking articles. Okay. So in that perspective, I would say that it is a really good opportunity to choose it as a Christmas gift for your family and friends. Okay, just to start exploring the content by freely reading the ebook version from my here. Are you looking for Christmas gift ideas? Like yesterday's December 1st blog post. So here I provided that free access link. Click that link. Okay, tell about this book and to your friends, and they can decide whether they have to buy the paperback or not. Okay. So any other questions? Even if you plan to buy the paperback version, I would suggest freely downloading my ebook version, because in the ebook version you have links. Suppose if you are reading quotes of one particular author, if you click the author name, it will be taking, the link will be taking you to the dedicated page on my site for that author with his short introduction and his motivational quotes list, and if there is any Facebook cover for that, it will be included there. Okay, so that is a good way of learning about any new author and their quotes, right? So in that case, like ebook will be more convenient than paperback version. So in that case, I would suggest buying ebook, but you need not make the purchase. You can freely get it from my this blog post. Are you looking for Christmas gift idea? Just download the free version by clicking this link and share this post with others so that they can also make use of this opportunity. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, so that's it from my side. Let me check any question is there. Okay, no other questions, so I'll be just stopping here. Thanks, bye, thanks for watching.